Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove emojis from your iPhone keyboard. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off just open up some app that you use your keyboard, and I'm just gonna open up Safari web browser and then hit at search bar. That shows you at the keyboard, and now just next to space key you can notice this emojis key. I can just tap on that to show up all the emojis, including frequently used, smileys and people and all that stuff. And if you don't use emojis while you are typing your text and you don't want to see that emoji button right here, you can easily toggle this feature off. Just let me hop out Safari for now, and now I'll show you how you can easily disable this feature. So first off, get into settings, then general, and then keyboard. Then hit add keyboards right here at the very top, and among all of your keyboards you can easily find that emoji keyboard, and all you have to do now is just remove this keyboard. So you can tap on edit and then just hit at minus sign and hit on delete. After that, don't forget to hit at done. And now if you open up any app that use a keyboard, and as you can see there are no more emoji button right here anymore. Then if you change your mind and you have decided to enable this feature, you can in any time go back here to keyboards and hit where it says add new keyboard, and then just search for emoji, then tap on that to add this keyboard to your keyboards. And let me show you what happened. Now this emoji button is already here. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.